I believe there's one subject in which every IT department lacks expertise, and that is how to effectively market its capabilities and communicate value. IT service providers now have to compete with public cloud providers that manage their brand very well and educate prospects on how their capabilities map to consumer needs. Hello, I'm Alex Salicrup, Transformation Practice Lead with VMware's Accelerate Advisory Services. Many of the IT organizations I work with initially claim that their consumers are not taking advantage of using external providers, only to find out that they actually are, and in a big way. Others have accepted the fact that competition exists and that they must address it. Many IT organizations have concluded that they must manage customer perceptions of their capabilities and offerings. Where to start for today's IT leadership? IT communications and marketing is not just building out your IT education campaign. It's making a significant change in how you strategize and change the internal culture of your IT organization to think and act like a hungry service provider. Let me share with you a few areas to consider as you begin to develop your communications and marketing strategy. First, you have to understand your audience. How do you communicate to your consumers that your IT team and services are the best solution for their unique needs? And key is your ability to interpret consumer perceptions and how to manage those perceptions. Second is to define your brand. A positive brand, as with your reputation, takes time to build and it's easily tarnished. You need to shape a consistent message, improve credibility, and enhance your brand and advertising its goals and achievements. Third on my list is identifying the catalyst of change and managing organizational change. Once you guide your staff on why change is necessary and the "what's in it for you" message, you can motivate them to follow your vision and become active ambassadors of your brand and the services your team provides. Fourth, and a critical aspect of a successful service communication strategy is your ability to clearly articulate your vision. Your vision must be strategically feasible, effective, incorporate the current position of your enterprise and catalyst of change, and be ambitious yet evidently accomplishable. And last, but definitely not least, are metrics. It is imperative that your IT organization, as a service provider, gauges how its consumers feel about the services they are consuming. Your team needs to put in place metrics and capture performance against the needs of the customer and set realistic targets on what it is to be measured. Though the IT organization may not traditionally have these communications and marketing skill sets, nor did them before the advent of public cloud, these skill sets are needed now. Whether you are just beginning the journey to transform the way you deliver IT services, or you want to explore innovative ways to communicate and market your capabilities, VMware is here to help. Please reach out to your VMware representative for more information. We look forward to working with you.